Oh, I forgot my mustard. Woody, you're a little bitch.
Guess how old his daughter is?
57.
No, 7. It just said it on there.
Did I?
Yeah,
7.
What's your name?
Harold
Harry
Harrison.
What's this?
What is that?
I found some notes in the book.
Silent Hill.
Sybil
Don't play this game.
Go to kitchen
I'm a
in
police officer from
hospital,
Bronz, the
get
next
plastic
town over.
bottle. Oh, well, it's a little guy.
It's a little guide someone left for me.
Wow, okay.
I'm going back to college some reinforcements.
School. Right volume. LL. Last volume. R.
It's like,
Hold it. Where do you think you're
you're
going?
arrested. I want to go play pinball.
I like how she's managing to say
stuff
this
on the back.
without
Oh.
moving her lips.
It's got the endings on the back.
Endings on the back.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
There's 4 different
It's
endings.
dangerous to go alone. Take
Oh.
this.
In
It
that
doesn't
case,
say-
I need to find her.
It's how
This
to
is
get
how to
him.
do
Cheryl's
this.
my
okay.
little girl.
Cheryl's my little
I
girl.
can't just leave her out there.
There's a
by
UFO
herself.
ending.
Yeah, I knew there was a weird ending.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you got a gun?
Yes.
No.
Oh, I want a gun. Is she actually going to give me a gun?
This.
Fuck
You
off!
have to use it.
What police officer would give some random guy a gun?
Not a very good one.
Now listen to me.
Pull the trigger to
Before you
shoot.
pull the trigger, know who you're
Listen,
shooting.
do you know what's wrong with my face? It's kind of smudged.
Don't do it unless you have to.
Feel like I'm melting. Use it unless
Don't
I...
go
Oh,
blasting
can I
me
shoot
by
her?
mistake.
Can I actually? I want to.
Got it?
Try it.
Let's try
It
it.
might get you the good ending.
Yeah. Thanks.
It just like goes off while he's looking at it. Ah!
There's 2 good endings.
I'll
Oh,
be back with help. as
One where you
quick
shoot
as I
this
can.
police lady, and one where you shoot yourself.
yeah. Just end yourself.
Yeah, just getting out of this game, bam! No, you shoot your girl.
Pinball! I want to go play some pinball.
He's a pinball wizard.
Nothing unusual.
Shoot the pinball machine.
Oh, what's that on the desk? The counter.
Pick up the
Pills! Drugs!
Can you... Oh, there you go, yeah.
Health drink. Take it.
health. Yeah, that definitely looked like a health drink.
Yeah. Someday, someone may experience these bizarre events. Hopefully, they will find my notes useful. Oh.
Oh, it's safe.
Oh, I see. Memory card is not inserted. Well, fuck. What do you mean it's not? Oh, out of blocks. Oh,
Oh,
okay.
didn't you have to-
yeah, you have to do a
You have to
virtual
create
thing.
one, didn't you? Yeah.
Are we going to carry on playing this game? Do you reckon?
Probably not, just... turn it off.
Probably not.
Nah, we're just go. How do I get out of here? Triangle. Does anyone else want to play?
Dahlia.
All right, let's go out and shoot some fools.
Shoot.
What? Maybe I should check for something useful before leaving. What the fuck? Oh, I forgot my mustard.
My condiments for when the monsters are eating me, and I
Yeah.
can just cover myself.
Yeah. Can I take the radio?
The knife. Take the knife.
Take the radio. Take the health drink. Just leave the knife. Can I fucking pick it up? No.
It does not look like a health drink.
Take
How
it.
can you not take the knife?
You
Oh,
can.
you can.
I was pressing the wrong button. Microwave. Take it.
That's it, the radio you gotta get. The radio.
It wouldn't let me pick it up.
Really?
It just says the radio seems broken.
Can't hear anything. Can't you?
No.
Could you be able to pick it up?
Nope.
You need it.
I don't have the map. No, it won't let me take it. I got a knife. Can I go now? Oh, what? What?
You need the radio.
But it won't let me pick it up! How do you pick it up then?
I don't know.
Look, X does nothing. It just does that. Square does nothing. Triangle, circle.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Pick up the radio now.
How do I pick it up, Liam? It's a square, right?
Press and hold, run, cancel actions, or menu screens.
How do I pick it up? How do I go into... No. God, we're stuck! This is so spooky!
We need that radio.
Do you actually need it?
Yeah, because that's how you tell when a monster's nearby.
Oh,
It starts doing this, like, horrible sound.
okay.
But kind of like a bell ringing.
Take that, radio!
Well, that's wasted one of your bullets.
I can't... It won't let me pick it up. It says, the radio seems broken, can't hear anything. What about this? Oh, there's
What's that
something.
do?
Yeah, I tried to pick this up, it won't let me. Pick that up.
Oh, wait a second.
Flashlight, yeah.
Yes.
And a map.
That's it. And then
Well, that,
I think
what's
after
up with the
I think after a while something bursts in
Yeah, it does, like a little
Yeah,
bat
the
thing.
flying bit.
There you
There
go. Where is he?
You just saw it outside the window.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
What's
It wasn't broken at all.
Huh. Radio. What's going on with that radio?
They speak so slow.
Radio.
What's going on with that?
What's
this? Shoots it again. Oh no! Oh,
Shoot
man.
at it.
Ow. Die! I'm just gonna stand here and... There you go.
Shoot it.
This is
Oh,
what's happening to this place.
It's Jurassic Park!
Well, I've used all your bullets. So.
Da-da-da-da-da. Can I take the radio now?
other.
He's like lying on top of it. Cool. How many bullets have I used, do you reckon?
8.
Oh, that's the map.
How many have you got?
8 left.
8 left.
That's alright. I'll just equip my knife now. There you go. And I can stab some fools.
Yes.
Go out and shank the.
Oh, he's already ready for action.
Ready.
I'm gonna shank your blood.
Give me your wallet!
That's exactly how you use a knife.
Yeah. That's how I do. That's what I do on the weekends.
That's when I go out stabbing.
Go for my
To practice my stabbing!
Oh, good old. We're not talking about Futurama again. Fucking hell.
I wasn't talking about Futurama.
God.
Talking about what I do on the weekends.
Cafe 5.
I guess I'll check that alley again. Yeah, that's a good fucking idea. Oh, what?
Well, I got mauled to death.
Yeah. Yeah. What's
By
up?
polygons.
This time,
Yeah.
it's me doing the mauling.
So I need to go. Is it that way? I think. Right. So I think it's up here. If I'm right. To the left. Fucking how wide is this road?
Wasn't that the excuse
How
for this
wide-
game? Because
Yeah.
of the low draw distance.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like,
right.
Yeah.
let's call it this.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah. Look how fucking wide this road is.
It's for the.
Jesus
For
Christ.
those flat. It's for those really small flat cars because they're really wide.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a fucking fire hydrant. I thought it was a monster.
Really?
Am I going the right way?
What's that in there?
It said go to the alley, right? Oh, wrong button.
Oh, you got orange health. Need to heal.
Nah. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Cool. I've got the stuck in my head now.
Oh, so it's the boy. Run!
I'm going to stab him.
Got the Jurassic Park theme in your head.
Yeah. Something nearby.
Keep going.
Why? I want to fight him. I want to take them all on. Oh shit!
Demon doll!
The name of the fucking nest! Stop out of
No!
here! Do they follow you?
That might do.
I did actually play a bit of this. I got to a certain point, but I just stopped.
You were terrified.
Yeah. I had to go change my pants.
There's your daughter. She just stepped on a landmine.
Yeah, left her again. Whew. Oh,
Oh,
fuck
and
it.
Nikitu is on the whiskey again.
I do like the weird camera angles. It makes it kind of, I don't know, straight. Oh fuck, that's a wall. Creepy. Are you guys spooked yet? What's this stuff on the floor?
Very scared.
Oh,
Oh, bullets.
yeah.
Oh, bullets.
Shit, I would have. Like, I thought I was being stupid checking them. I thought, oh, that's just not enough.
Oh, nice.
Should I actually
The
equip
game
gun?
can't render anything else, so.
Do you reckon I should equip the gun?
What's all this? It's a book.
To school!
Is it the Cheryl sketchbook?
You can't tell me what to do. I'm a grown man. I'm not going to school. Oh, all the way over there? Fucking hell, with the width of these
Ew.
roads, it's going to take me about 10 years to get over there.
Corner.
Yeah.
So what's this play called? Midwich.
Ethan Bradbury.
Remember?
Yeah, it's Bradbury Street.
Oh, I can't go for this.
Kind of not at all.
What's that?
Oh,
Can you pick up? Is that a pipe you pick up?
that's what I thought. Yeah!
Yeah, still pipe.
Still pipe.
Dual wield. Knife and a steel pipe.
But what's better? Shall I equip the gun, you reckon, or the fucking wrong button?
Pick up the pipe.
Pipe. The pipe. Equip it.
Limited use.
Limited use. What is this? Breath of the fucking Wild?